Hey everybody, it's Taylor with Boydston Grove, and today we're gonna have a birdhouse build-off.
Let's get into it.
For these birdhouses, we're going to be using 6-inch cedar fence pickets. The reason I decided to use cedar for these birdhouses is because 1, it is a natural deterrent to insects, and 2, it is really durable to the elements outside. Each picket costs just under $3 at the local hardware store, and we're going to be able to get 1 birdhouse out of each picket. That means these birdhouses are going to cost less than $3 each. Now we want our birdhouses to look pretty rustic, but before we get started, Christina went ahead and sanded all the fence pickets down just to get rid of any potential splinters. To simplify the measurements of the birdhouse, I'm just going to be using the width of the fence picket for most of the pieces, and that way I just have to cut the pieces to the proper length. I'm using a 1 3/4 inch Forstner bit to make the entrance on each of the birdhouses. For the little stand for the birds on the front, I'm just using a 5/16 dowel. The reason I'm using such a weird size is because that's what I just happen to have in the shop. The front and rear of the birdhouse measure the width of the fence picket by 8 inches tall, and then I just cut 45-degree angles for the roof. The side of the birdhouse is the width of the fence picket by 5 inches. The bottom of the birdhouse is the width of the fence picket by 4.5 inches. The roof pieces of the birdhouse are 9 inches long because we want quite a bit of overhang over the front. I made sure to remove the width of the fence picket from one of the roof pieces, making it a little bit narrower. That way we would have an even overhang on each side of the roof. For the little perch sticking out, I cut it at 2.5 inches long. The reason I decided to use screws rather than nails for this project is I thought this would be a great opportunity for everyone to learn how to use a power tool by using the drill. If you're looking for a project to do with your family, friends, or classroom this spring or summer, this birdhouse is perfect. It is really cost effective, it is easy to assemble, and it is a lot of fun. Alright, my sample birdhouse is assembled and finished, and now I just need to pre-drill all the pieces to the other birdhouses. The reason I'm pre-drilling the pieces is that I just want to make the assembly go a little easier, and we won't have to worry about any pieces splitting. Alright, all our birdhouse pieces are cut and pre-drilled and ready to go. Now it's time to invite some friends over and have some fun. Because all the pieces were pre-drilled, assembly went really easy. Painting the birdhouses gave everyone an opportunity to personalize it and make it their own. A great way to get a wide variety of paint colors for a project like this is to check the Oops rack in your local hardware store. I picked these little cans of paint up for around 50 cents a piece. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to like it. If you want to see all our other projects, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And we would love to hear in the comments below what you thought of this project. Thank you very much for watching. Be safe and have a great day.